Hi guys, this is the last video I show and it was for the jobs and 20L exercise. I'm going to close this and I'm going to save. And in the 20M, task 20M, say open the file task CSV. I'm going to open, instead of the CSV, I'm going to go open the Excel. Remember, I need to do right click, open with to select the Excel in the Windows path. I'm going to make sure I can see everything. Click on here, double click in between two columns, and I can see that. I say, insert a formula in the current task in here, column, to look up the client using the task code, using this code for the lookup value, and the file client CSV. Make sure that you use both absolute and relative referencing. So that will be the same as before, but instead of HLOOKUP on the previous task, task 20L, I'm going to use VLOOKUP. This is because in the client file, open with Excel, yes, this is not a client, this is a class list. Client, really sorry about this. The information is aligned vertically because it's vertically V from vertically lookup. So I'm going to start. I have the two worksheets here open so I can work with them. So I start with an equal V lookup brackets lookup value. Again, it's the same process as in the previous video, comma, and then the table. But the table is not here anymore. It's no longer here. Is on this one. So click on here, select all of this, as I can see here. And now if I click on the bar, appears the help, the table array. So comma to go to the columns index. This is column number 1. This is column number 2. Because I want to show the information in the client column, I put number 2. And then the same as before, I want an exact match, so I type false, close brackets, and press enter. And I've got this here. As you can see, in here is using the client file, which is the name of the file with the extension and a question mark, and then the reference, but already with the dollar symbol. So this, without the dollar symbol, is a relative reference. This, with the dollar symbol, is an absolute reference. So I don't need to put the dollar symbol anymore myself, and I need only to drag and drop, and I can check that number 5 is bin account, number 5 is bin account, and number 3 is whole house design, number 3 is whole house design, so it's working perfectly. Okay, I'm going to stop this video and carry on with the next tasks on the next video.